Welcome to a sim code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about generators in Python. Generators in Python are a powerful and efficient way to work with data, especially when you're dealing with large amounts of it. They allow you to iterate over data one piece at a time, instead of loading everything into memory at once. This can save a lot of space and increase performance in some situations. To understand generators, it is helpful to first think of a function that produces values one at a time. In a normal function, you'd use return to give back a value and end the function. In a generator, you use yield instead of return. The key difference is that a generator doesn't finish executing when it yields a value. It pauses, and you can continue where it left off the next time you ask for the next value. This function is a generator that yields values one by one. Start counting from 1. Loop until the max value is reached. Yield the current count and pause. Increment count for the next iteration. Using the generator to get values up to 3. This starts the iteration, producing values one by one. If we try to call next again, it raises stop iteration since there are no more values. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a sim code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.